My dear friends, I have been speaking to you for quite some time now on various topics. Today, I would like to speak on Mahatma Gandhi as we celebrate his Gandhi Jayanti Day, 2nd October. Just a few years ago, we celebrated 150 years of his birth. When I met his grandson, Raj Mohan Gandhi, he said one thing. There were many contemporaries of Mahatma Gandhi, like Winston Churchill and many, many others. The world did not remember them so much as they remembered this man whom Winston Churchill called the half-naked fakir of India. Because when he went in 1930 to England, he just wore a very few clothes, just like an Indian peasant. And many laughed at him, said, "Look at him. He's a naked fakir, a poor man." But Mahatma Gandhi did not mind it. He says, "I am identifying with my people who are poor, who are destitute, and I am not ashamed of it." My dear friends, sometimes we feel ashamed of Mahatma Gandhi. Even some of the political parties don't like him. Why? Because people are hungry for position. People are hungry for power. Mahatma Gandhi gave us independence, not merely political independence, but he wanted an independence with which we love humanity. We love and live according to the values of God. That is exactly what he wanted. And therefore, when he went to South Africa, he went as a barrister there. But when he saw the white people are discriminating against the black people, he fought against it. And he was successful. He did not fight with an army. He did not fight with weapons. It fought with truth and non-violence. And that is the only sermon that he preached all over the world. When he came to India, he wanted that India must receive its independence from the British. He hated the Britishers not because they were British, but because of their atrocities against Indians. And he said, "Quit India. We would like to rule ourselves." But he never hated the people who were here. He said, "Love all the people, but don't love what they do." प्यारे भाई और बहनों, आज हमें भी थोड़ा सोचना चाहिए, आखिर जिंदगी क्या है? हम जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ हासिल करना चाहते हैं। आज इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स में आप देख लीजिएगा, किसी भी मजहब में, किसी भी पार्टी में क्यों ना हो, हर व्यक्ति ऊपर उठना चाहता है। कैसे? दूसरों को नीचा दिखाकर। आज के दिन सभी लोग महात्मा गांधी के उस तस्वीर पर वे माला फहराएंगे और उसके अनुसार जीने के लिए वे बताएंगे, हम ऐसा कोशिश करेंगे। लेकिन बहुत कम लोग ऐसे जीने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे हैं। उनके मन में केवल सेल्फिशनेस है। मुझे क्या मिलेगा, मैं क्या बनूंगा, बस इतनी सी बात है। जब तक हम उनके मूल्यों को नहीं अपनाएंगे तो महात्मा गांधी हमारे लिए एक आइडल बनकर रह जाएंगे, नथिंग मोर। टुडे the coming generations will have to think of this man. He was called the Mahatma, the great soul, by Tagore himself. Tagore was a great intellectual. He was a great poet. He was a great writer. Mahatma Gandhi wasn't. Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of the world. And you know what Einstein said of this poor man of India? That generations will hardly believe that such a man as this ever walked on the top of this earth. Wow. Why did he say that? Because he felt people are not born like that. People are usually selfish. People usually work for themselves. They pretend to love others. They pretend to work for others. Mahatma Gandhi had no pretensions whatsoever. He lived a pretty long life until he was killed by a fanatic. But he did not live a useless life. He prepared the ground for our Indianness. He loved our culture. He accepted his values, the values of tolerance, the values of understanding, the values of love for each other. That is exactly what not only he preached, but he lived in his life. आज हम जब गांधी जयंती मना रहे हैं, हम यह ना भूलें कि महात्मा गांधी ने अगर हमें कुछ सिखाया है, हम सबों को उसके अनुसार जीने की कोशिश करना है। नहीं तो हमारा देश मिट जाएगा। जिस प्रकार हम जी रहे हैं, एक दूसरों की दुश्मनी करके, घृणा करके, एक दूसरों को नीचा दिखाकर, ये सही नहीं है। क्योंकि समृद्धि होना जरूरी नहीं है। जब तक हम ये समृद्धि के साथ एक दूसरों की परवाह नहीं करते, तब तक हमारी असली समृद्धि नहीं है। असली आज़ादी तभी आती है जब हम अंदरूनी जीवन से भी आज़ाद हैं, जब सच्चाई के लिए हम लड़ सकते हैं, अहिंसा से जीने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं, तभी हम कह सकते हैं हम आज़ाद हैं। अन्यथा आज़ादी क्या है? वो व्यक्ति जो तड़पता है, जूझता है, मरता है, उसके लिए कोई आज़ादी है नहीं। तो इसीलिए आज हम सभी से अनुरोध करते हैं कि हम सब मिलजुल कर जिएं और महात्मा गांधी के आदर्शों का फॉलो करने के लिए कोशिश करें। हम कर सकते हैं। इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, लेकिन आसान भी नहीं है। क्योंकि जब हम दूसरों को देखते हैं कि हम चाहते हैं कि वैसे ही बने, लेकिन महात्मा गांधी ने ऐसे कोई कोशिश नहीं की और उनको किसी प्रकार की उपाधि भी नहीं दी गई। उसकी जरूरत भी नहीं थी। वे स्वयं एक उपाधि थे। उससे बढ़कर क्या है? सचमुच वो भारत की एक धरोहर थे। ही इज द गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड टू इंडिया। वी शुड रियलाइज दैट एंड वी शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ हैविंग हिम एज द फादर ऑफ द नेशन। Surely he is a father figure looking over us and asking us to live in harmony, to live in peace, live in joy, by helping each other, not by hating each other, by accepting everyone as our brothers and sisters in true humanity. I wish we all can do that. God bless you. Have a nice day.